In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily close all tabs on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Safari web browser. Here I got an open tab. If I tap right here, it shows me that currently I got 4 different tabs here opened. And then to close all of them at once, all we have to do, guys, is just long press at these two rectangles, just like that, and then select close all tabs. Then hit right here to confirm it. That will close all open tabs at once. However, it closes tabs just on an active browser mode. So here, as you can see, now I'm on a regular browsing mode. However, we got also private browsing mode, and that's where we can also have some tabs open in this way. And then to close all of them at once, we need to act in the same way. Just long press here and hit at close all tabs, or just close your Safari browser in that way. It will automatically close all open tabs in private browsing mode. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.